Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a task private on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working on Asana with a team, but there are some tasks that you just want to go ahead and keep to yourself and not have your team know about. How do you actually go ahead and keep tasks private on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, go ahead and click on the task which you want to go ahead and make private. So let's click on this task here, for example. Next, you're going to see this task here. And so this task here has already been made public, but you're going to see this tab here on the top that says make private. So you could actually go ahead and make this private, and you're going to see now that it's been reverted to make it public. So anytime that you click on a task, you can see that it says this task is private to you. But if you want to go ahead and make it public, there you go. But if you want to make it private, click on it again. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make a task private on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.